Hi everyone. So I've seen this tweet about remix app called Phrasle. I guess it's a variation of Wordle that I like to solve using Cypress. So I decided to check it out because it would be fun to solve it using my approach. I have the game pulled up here inside Cypress. All I'm doing right now is just setting the base URL and visiting the base URL. So let me move it to the side and move this to the side. So what I can do here is I probably have to guess a phrase. So let's start clicking on the letters randomly. Uh, this is complicated, right? I cannot guess anything. Well, a lot of E's and A's. Okay, so let's look at the application under the hood. Maybe there is something we can use to go then through the UI and solve this. We can inspect the page itself, right? We can see what kind of source it includes, the head. Right now, lots of styles. Okay, that's reasonable. Nothing really comes to mind. Let's see if we can pull it up in the browser. Okay, so Phrasle.com, and let's just look at the source. So some, shenanigans with local storage, session storage. Okay, then application code and okay, so this is interesting, right? So application does put something on the window, right? Okay, so there's a window underscore underscore remix context. So usually underscore underscore means do not use it, but I see things that are quite interesting, like root information has loaded. Okay, this is very interesting. Check this out. Somewhere inside that big object, there is an answer. We were on a break, which is famous phrase Ross Geller said in France. So we were on a break. Okay, now I solved it. So if you want to play this game, you probably should pull this answer from the remix context and enter it by clicking on the letters themselves. So if you want to pull the information from the window, well, cy.visit already yields a window, so we can say it's remix context, and let's just print it to the console for now, just to see what's happening there. And console, this is what it printed. App state, root data, I think. Yes, root data has it. So we can say dot root data because we can get nested paths because it under the hood it uses Lodash property getter. And then root slash index. Okay, so what does it give us? It gives us an object with an answer. Okay, so we can get the answer, and then we get this answer as a variable. We can split it into letters, but we probably will have multiple letters, right? But we'll see if it's a problem. Okay, so for each letter, what do we want to do? We want to get one of those keyboard keys. All right, so let's see. What is the selector for this one? Okay, I see a tile. Okay, I guess we can do the tile over key. So contains something with class key. Okay, and it contains the letter, and we want to click on it. So let's see if this works. Okay, we're getting an error message after a couple of letters cannot be passed an empty string. So I guess we cannot enter a space or find the space. That's fine. That's fine. We don't want to enter the space anyway. So we want to filter all the letters or characters. Well, we also don't have key for exclamation, so we really want to filter and leave only all the keys that match A to Z, right? Because we only have lowercase. Okay, that's pretty good. And then it pops a message. Let's confirm that it does show it. So this is a pop-up, right? And what's okay? I see role dialog, test ID model. That's pretty convenient. And then inside it has copy body info. Let's do this selector. So after we type the characters, it should show us this selector with perfect. Well, that might be without exclamation point. should be visible. All right. Okay, so now we solve the game. Perfect. Really enjoyed this game. Hope you enjoyed this video too.